A day in the life as a student at Leland National High School.
So hi guys, already lunch and we're going to get our food at the asa man?
Manggahan.
Sa Manggahan, yeah. 'Cause we ordered our food for lunch. 'Cause wala man may sudan. So nag-order.
We were
It's so hot today, just like me. So there are some people eating here. Hi you guys.
there's a lot of people.
Bruh.
So for today's video guys, we are here in
Atinoble shop.
Atinobla shop. Where
Oh my god! Wow!
we are waiting for our food.
And yeah, that's all.
Bukatagda.
Guys, so ulit ka ganda.
So, palit na siya.
May coke.
Sito, ayot. Yeah, here's... Mana?
Atong dinap. Coke and soup.
Hi guys! Grabe kainit. So hot.
Hi guys! What's up mga
So guys,
for today's fishing.
session. Buy water.
Because we are
Water? Water, John?
so
Outfit check though guys.
thirsty. Hungry. Dehydrated. Stay hydrated and stay negative.
Hi ma'am. Hi to our vlog. So ano mga kagagagi?
Negative.
Stay positive. Wag lang sa pregnancy.
Here, guys. So, guys.
Jill.
Okay, here's the change.
Kuha na yung 15.
Let's buy.
First
Kuha na yung
mine.
cheese, ni kamay ka ni isa man.
First mine.
Okay, let's buy.
Hindi na ako pala pagbabayan.
Si Chumay.
Girl, ka-full.
Ano sa color? Imuha.
Where's anyway? Jerome. Jerome, buy rin.
Oo, no, tubig.
Buy rin sa
Dula tagulo yung dyan. We're going to buy our snacks. So, guys, nagbaha.
Yeah.
See that, guys? Bilat. Rain.
So, here is this. Here is it. Ang boy.
Nakay niyo kung bilat.
Ang inawag doon. Beston. So, so we're here at...
Hi guys, for today's napkin, and I'll buy our scaldo.
Roscando po natin.
Gilo. Gilo.
Oh my God! Wow!
Apir sa... Naunga, Jerome.
Already done buying our food.
Vacant me today. Gilo.
So hi guys, good morning. So kanang abibili na mo sa mong grupo individually is malikang sulatin. So ang malikang sulatin is kanang broad siya, kanang bitaw daghan siya. Basta ka na bitaw, mag-talk na ka na malikhain sa Lapinis. Nagkala itong pinaghirapan, doon mo pagkuhan para mahimo siyang unique. So daghan siyang example sa kanyang malikhain sa Latin. For example, na ay kanta, tula, nobela, basta daghan pa siya. So, nakuntong ka lang, ang malikhain sulat ay isang uri ng pagsulat na gumagamit ng imahinasyon, damdamin at originalidad. So, wala itong emosyon ng kaugalingon na sinulat. So, kaya ganun itong wala dyan ang gigan yun sa mga una-una. Hay, dili man ka makasulat kung kanang tula, kanta, kung kanang wakadumoy na imagine or kanang wala niyo mo na na-feel na sitwasyon na.
Okay, bigyan natin ng dalawang minutes.